आपल्या सर्वांचं या व्हिडिओमध्ये स्वागत आहे. पूर्व माध्यमिक शिष्यवृत्ती परीक्षा इयत्ता 8वी आज 18 फेब्रुवारी 2024 रोजी झाली. या परीक्षेमधील पेपर क्रमांक 2 मराठी माध्यम तृतीय भाषा व बुद्धिमत्ता चाचणी या पेपरमधील तृतीय भाषा म्हणजेच इंग्रजी विषयाच्या 25 प्रश्नांची आपण इथे चर्चा करणार आहोत. त्याची योग्य ती उत्तरं तुम्हाला इथे समजणार आहेत. माझ्याजवळ ए सेट आहे. तुमचा जो कोणता सेट असेल त्या सेटमध्ये ती क्वेश्चन पाहायचे आहेत आणि आपल्या उत्तरांची खात्री करून घ्यायची आहे. चला तर सुरू करूया हा व्हिडिओ. सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पहा. सेक्शन 1 इंग्लिश. चूज द करेक्ट पेअर ऑफ homophones to get meaningful sentence. Okay, he ... me a mail and told there is gift parcel of ... bottles. So correct answer is option number 1, sent and sent. Next question, question number 2. Read the following and find out the number of imperative sentences in it. Okay, so imperative sentences, आज्ञार्थी वाक्य कोणकोणते आहेत? Come here 1. What happened? It is question. Tell me all. Okay, it is second imperative sentence. I will not punish you. Okay, it is statement. Then write all on this paper. So it is also imperative sentence. It means 3 imperative sentences are here. So option number 3 is correct. Next, choose 2 correct options. Okay, avoid too much use of mobile phones and save your time. It is correct answer. Correct option is be safe from eye problems. So these are the 2 correct answers. Read given advertisement and choose correct options. See, you just read this advertisement and see question number 4. The advertisement is given for the post of teacher. So option number 3 is correct answer. Next, question number 5. Last date of application is. Now see once again, here is last date of application is 15th June. Note here 15th June 2023. Next question. Complete the sentence by using the correct form of verb to get simple future tense. Okay, simple future. So you will get good marks. It is correct answer. Then see, here is question for question 7 and 8 instructions. Read the passage and choose the correct alternative. Okay, you just read this passage, then you will get answers of question number 7 and 8. See, we have the technology to destroy the planet. So option number 3 is correct answer. Then next question, choose incorrect alternative to complete the following diagram. World's today challenges. Overpopulation, yes. Epidemic disease, yes it is. Robbery, okay, it is incorrect option. So number 3 is answer of question number 8. See, next question, question number 9. Choose the correct alternative. It is 5 to 11 o'clock. The school bell will ring after 20 minutes. That means at ... o'clock. Okay, 5 to 11 म्हणजेच 11 वाजायला 5 मिनिटे कमी आहेत. आणि त्यानंतर काय होणार आहे, 20 मिनिटांनी बेल होणार आहे, म्हणजेच 11:15 बेल होणार आहे. त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, 11:15. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट आन्सर, 11:15. Question number 10. Given below are words, choose correct alternative which is of positive degree. Okay. Shakuntal, good, Sanskrit. So these three words are given here. 3 शब्द दिलेले आहेत आणि यामधून आपल्याला पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री काढायची आहे. ओके, जिथं पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री ॲज असतं, सिम्पल आहे. सी ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज करेक्ट आन्सर. No other drama in Sanskrit is as good as Shakuntal. Next question, question number 11. Choose the correct alternative to explain the underlined phrase. Akash was so active and enthusiastic, he always did his work in a jiffy. In a jiffy means very soon, म्हणजेच काही क्षणातच, वेळ न लावता. Question number 12. Choose the correct alternative for the underlined word. Okay. When I met my grandmother after a long time, we recollect my childhood memories. To recollect. Recollect means it is remembering the past. भूतकाळातल्या सर्व गोष्टी आठवायला लागलेल्या आहेत, त्याला रिकलेक्शन असं म्हटलं जातं. Then question number 13 to 15 instructions. Read the passage and answer the question. पहा, तुम्ही हा पॅसेज व्यवस्थित वाचून घ्या, त्यानंतर तुम्हाला त्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं इझिली देता येतील. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह. सुश्रुता वॉज अ, सी हिअर इज गिवन, सुश्रुता वॉज अ ब्राइट स्टुडंट. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 2 is correct. Sushruta was a bright student. Then question number 14. Choose the correct alternative. What task Shalihotra gave to Sushruta? So see, here is given that task. So, option number 1 is correct. Then see number 15. How long a period did Shalihotra allow to find the missing things? A week. 1 week. Okay. Let's see next question. Question number 16. Choose the 2 correct options for the underlined word from the given alternative. आता इथं पुन्हा आपल्याला 2 योग्य उत्तर शोधायचे आहेत. This year there is a great loss for India that popular singer Lata Mangeshkar passed away. Okay, popular means famous, prasiddha. Okay, and another one correct answer is here, very well known. Question number 17. Choose 2 correct alternatives of active voice for the following sentence. See, my father was given a jeep by the government. This is first correct answer. The government gave a jeep to my father. These are the 2 correct answers. Then question number 18. Choose the correct alternative from the following to complete puzzle. Okay, NEE, needle. Okay, then EAST, east, TEST, taste. So E is correct. Number 19. Choose correct alternative to frame a meaningful question. Okay, people did where him meet. See, this is the correct question. Where did people meet him? See, next question number 20. Choose the correct alternative for indirect speech. We are orphans. They answered. They answered that they were orphans. Question number 21. Read the riddle and choose correct alternative. What is the full of holes but still hold water? Glass, plastic, iron and sponge. Okay, so sponge is the correct answer. Option number 4. The verb form of addition is add. Question number 23. Choose the correct expression. ... She died of hunger. ... She died of hunger. Alas. Alas, she died of hunger. Next question. Read the following news and answer the questions by choosing correct option. More dinosaur fossils found in Kutch. See. Name the village where a big fossil of dinosaur found. See, village is given there. Okay. Lodi. So option number 4 is correct. And last question. Find the number of nouns in the following sentence. See, Avinash 1, Yash 2, Mona 3 and Om 4. Yesterday come to Pune. Pune is also noun, so 5. So option number 2 is correct. तर ही होती आज झालेली क्वेश्चन पेपर आणि त्या क्वेश्चन पेपरची संभाव्य उत्तरे. आपणाला किती मार्क मिळाले हे तुम्हाला समजले असेलच. आपल्या मित्रांना देखील हा व्हिडिओ शेअर करा. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असल्यास या चॅनलला नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला दुसऱ्या पेपरचे देखील संभाव्य उत्तरसूची पाहायला मिळेल. धन्यवाद.